Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Sotteok Sotteok. For this dish we need 20 each of Chinese pork sausage and rice cakes. You can use whatever little cocktail sausage you have on hand. I just really love these. We do need to soak our rice cakes in some boiling water just for 45 seconds to really soften them up so we can go ahead and skewer them. So just roll them around there and then pull them out and let them drain completely. For our little cocktail sausages, we want to shallowly cut slits down the length of our sausage just so it can get a nice char and the barbecue sauce really soaks in there. You also want to soak up 6 bamboo skewers so they don't burn. For the barbecue sauce, we need 2 chopped cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of gochugaru, a tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of plum sauce, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and a teaspoon of chili oil. This is all in the description box below. We're going to heat this over medium-high heat just until it starts to thicken up, and then we can shut off the heat and put that on the back burner. We're going to use this in a minute. Now let's go ahead and skewer up our little skewers here. So just going in very carefully so you don't poke yourself. We are going to put on 3 sausages and 3 rice cakes in whatever order your heart desires. So just being careful and skewering these all up until all of the product is on a skewer, as it should be. Now, if you have an outdoor grill, you can do this on the grill. I do not, so we're going to go over to the stove in my grill pan over high heat. We're going to brush it with a tablespoon of neutral oil, and we're going to go ahead and place in our skewers, and look how beautifully these fit. My OCD brain was thrilled with this result. We're going to cook this for about 4 minutes before going in and giving this little flip, and then my brain malfunctioned a little bit, but I did figure this out. Once they're all flipped over, we're going to take a pastry brush and just brush our skewers with a little bit of our barbecue sauce while that other side is cooking. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip again and brush the side that didn't get the barbecue sauce yet. And then I like this to get really caramelized, so I let it cook for an additional 2 minutes on both sides. Just plating up and not forgetting the rest of our sauce, and just garnishing with a little toasted peanut and scallion, and this is looking fantastic. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The rice cake has picked up this gorgeous barbecue sauce, which is spicy, savory, sweet, and absolutely delicious. The pork sausage is wonderful. The saltiness of it counterbalances this gorgeous barbecue sauce, and this is absolutely delicious and perfect for summer. But there it is, Sotteok Sotteok. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.